In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your EIN, or Employer Identification Number, on LegalZoom. Whether you're a small business owner, an entrepreneur just starting out, or someone who's simply curious, knowing how to locate this important number is crucial for handling your business tax needs. So let's dive right in and walk through the process together. First, you'll want to ensure you're logged into your LegalZoom account. This is your starting point for accessing all the documents and services associated with your business. Once you're on the homepage of your LegalZoom account, look for the section related to your business services. This is typically found in your account dashboard, which should display a range of options related to the services you've purchased or are using through LegalZoom. Next, you'll need to click on the Virtual Mail option. This is often where LegalZoom stores important documents, including mail you've received and any tax-related paperwork. The Virtual Mail section is essentially your digital mailbox, providing a convenient location to access various business documents without having to shuffle through physical papers. Once you're in the Virtual Mail section, you should look for any documents that might be related to your EIN. Specifically, you'll want to find the EIN confirmation letter, which is also known as the IRSC P575. This letter is issued by the IRS when your EIN is assigned and is a vital document for proving your business's tax identification number. If you can't find this exact letter, don't worry. Other tax-related documents stored in your virtual mail might also contain your EIN, so take a moment to look through any communications from the IRS or related to tax filing. A quick tip here: if you have multiple businesses registered or a lot of virtual mail, try using a search feature if it's available. Many online platforms, including LegalZoom, offer a search bar to quickly locate specific documents by entering keywords like EIN or CP575. This can save you a lot of time and effort. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should be able to locate your EIN on LegalZoom with ease. Remember, your EIN is an important part of your business identity, so keep this information secure and readily accessible for future reference. If you encounter any issues or can't find your EIN, consider reaching out to LegalZoom customer support for additional assistance. They can provide guidance specific to your account and help you navigate any challenges you might face. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more handy guides and tips for managing your business needs. Have a great day, and see you in the next video.